First look into the piston thingies and get some more light. Alright. Nothing looks horribly scored. It's definitely dirty. You can't really see that real well, so anyhow, there's my twisted off bolt. Son of a gun. Hopefully I can get it with the pliers here in a second and get that out. We'll clean all this muck out and hope that it'll seal back up. Okay, here we are. This is what I was trying to show you.
Yeah.
I've got holes, not you, Toby. I've got holes in the block right here,
Okay.
here, here, here.
Oh.
I believe those are corrosion, but I'm not sure
Yes.
if by chance they were supposed to be in there or not.
Okay, so when can we do that?
I don't know.
Well,
But anyway, I got the rest of it all polished up. We'll see what needs to happen. There is another issue I'll show you about here in a second.
Okay.
Alright, here's the second issue I'm going to have. I came out here, and for some reason I picked up this linkage like that, and I got it all twisted. I shouldn't have ever touched it. Now, I bet, dang it, now look what I did. Okay, now I'm going to have issues getting it linked back up down in there for the steering linkage, I bet. Anyway, here's the bottom here. Water comes up from here. So, anyhow, it'll be interesting. I'm hoping this isn't a bigger issue than what I'm starting with. So now I need to figure out how to get the shifting linkage right. Never done that before. I'm afraid I'm hoping I don't have to go into the lower unit.